guys, today we are gonna play Tower of Hell. So we are in new towers. We will go. We have to just jump. This one is so hard. I don't know I can do this or I cannot do this. This one. Whoa. I can even do this. Now we are gonna jump, 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 jump. No. The time is getting so much long. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we go, 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 go. I can do this. So much people are playing with me. We have to jump here, then we will go right over here. Okay, now my wrist. I will just no. I will go again. I don't care if I just die. Oh, look at this girl's face. Look at this girl. So let's go. Jump over here. There we go. No. What? No, we can't. This can't be. I have to win. I don't have to lose this game. I'm recording this video because of I was thinking I will win, but I can't win. Okay, let's go. Go, go, go. Let's go. There we go. Please subscribe and like and share to my video. I have seen so much people don't subscribe. Let's go. What does this girl saying? Ruby? What is this girl saying? She's saying Ruby Mamba. What is this? I don't know. I only know English. This language. Okay, go. Go, 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 go. Jump. I can't even play. Oh, I'm loser. I can't play anything. I'm loser. Let's go, just go, go, go. I wanna win. Go from here. Fast. And someone buy low gravity. What? Someone just buy low gravity. Still, I can't play. This one is easy. This one and when we have to just go. Why did I just jump so early? We can go again. We will just jump here and then here. Now we need to jump over here. Wow, yee. I can do this. No. This one is hard. This one is hard. Yes. I can do this. Wow. I'm just gonna win. What the heck is this? Wow. I just did it. Now I'm gonna go blue one. This is new towers. I'm not a noob. I am. Look at my hair. I'm like a noob. I don't care. Just we will play. Whoa! No! What does just happened? I was just gonna win. One. No, no. No, I can't win. I know 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 I can't win. Come far. What? No, we can't even just win this game. We can just go. So it's been a long time and we can't even play. What is happening? I wish this map just go another map come because the time is also so much slow and we can't even just do it. I'm a noob. I can't even win this game. I can't even win this. What the time? The time. The time. The time. The time is so much fast. Go, 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 go. I have 1-0 time in this game. No, I was just gonna run. The time is killing me. No, what? What the? No, thank God. I'm gonna run. I'm gonna run. Why can't I just? I can't run. Can't run. I can't run. Just go, 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 go. Oh, wait! No. Why can't I just run? I just go again. Fast. What the heck is happening to me? I will go and run this game. I can't run this. I think I should run this. I just don't know why I can't go. You guys will think that I'm a noob. I know no one can do this. Everyone will win if they should be me. So I am a. Whoa! No. God! No! What did just happen to me? I'm gonna just go again. I'm gonna win this one, guys. You don't know why I can't win this game. This is hard. I will just go and don't talk much. I talk so much. Go. No. So, if you wanna know my username, I can tell you my username. If you wanna friend me, in the end of the video, I will tell you my username. So stay here till the end. watch the video full, and the end you will see my username. I'm not joking, I will tell you guys my username in Roblox. I'm gonna tell you. I'm so excited. I'm gonna just tell you my username. So, I'm not gonna run, I know. So, that's all for today. We will play tomorrow. So, as I said, I will tell you my username at the end. My username is. I will just tell you my username. My username is Prisakral13. I can type and let you guys know. I'm gonna type and let you guys know. So it's Prisakral13. This is my username. If you wanna friend me, you can friend me, and I can get you in my video. Can get you in my video. So if you wish that I can get you in my YouTube video, so you just have to friend me, and if you want anytime, tell me, I will record it. Okay, then you will stand here, I will stand here, we will play, and you will be in YouTube. Okay, that's for all today. Bye bye, we will play tomorrow. I'm gonna write. Bye. Bye bye.